Snipe Squad, what it going on, way? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones coming at y'all with another video, man. Happy Monday to everybody out there who repping the game. Snipe Squad, y'all already know how we rocking, man. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We grinding, trying to hit 10K before the end of the year, and we getting close, bro. We so close. So if it's your first time coming to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Also follow me on the gram where I post some of the latest pics and I do giveaways on my stories, and you don't want to miss that. But now we back, man. We fresh back from Houston. Houston SneakerCon was lit, man. I had a great time. It's always good when I get to link up with the homies and just get away from everything and just have a good time, bro. We had fun. But now I'm back, dog. And since your boy back, you know, I gotta come with that heat, man. The end of the year is almost here, and when I thought that Jordan brand was finally probably done dropping all the crazy heat, in actuality, bro, they just started getting ready. Now we all know that Jordan brand has been literally trashing the market with nothing but Jordan 1s this year. I mean, bro, it has been at least 15 pair of Jordan 1s that dropped this year alone, and I'm seeing pictures of a Spider-Man Jordan 1 that might be dropped this year in December. I'm not sure if it is, so don't quote me on that. I'm just saying I'm seeing it, and it's looking like it may be released before the end of the year, and it's just adding to how many Jordan 1s they didn't drop this year, which is crazy. Now don't get me wrong, I do like Jordan 1s, and I do know Jordan 1s sell, but I think that's why Jordan is just throwing Jordan 1s at us, just because they know it'll sell. But in actuality, it's kind of just depreciating the value of a Jordan 1. Same thing with Jordan 11s. We get like 3 or 4 a year when we used to get one around Christmas time. But we off that, man. Y'all know why we came here. I did not sugarcoat this video. As you seen in the thumbnail, you know why you here. The collab between the Air Jordan 1 and Union LA, man, is here. They have 2 pairs that released. They got a black pair and they have the blue pair. The pair that I will be bringing y'all today, shout out to my boy Retro Rico, because that is who this pair came from. If you guys need anything from him, I always link his IG down below in the description anytime I'm doing something that I bought from him or that he just gave us to review, just so y'all can get at him if you want anything in the future. But without further ado, let's get into these Union 1s, because it's something I wanted to talk to y'all about, and I don't think it's gonna be like a popular opinion, but hey, it's my opinion at the end of the day. Let's get into it. As y'all can see, man, this box is not your regular Jordan 1 box, but it is, okay? So the top of the box has like the same type of box that the Jeter 11s came in, and like what was those, like those crazy 11 low IEs that came out, like that color pack. Even the 7 lows, the Concord 7 lows and the Taxi 7 lows, I believe they all came in this box. Even the Michigan 12s came in a box like this. But then on the flip side, you get your regular Jordan 1 box kind of on the bottom here. So I like how they switched it up a little bit. This is a collab shoe, so it's kind of dope to see Jordan brand taking steps into, I don't know, switching up the box a little bit. Everybody was mad because they switched up the Concord box. I didn't like the 11 box. I hope people not mad about them switching up this Jordan 1 box. I mean, it really don't really matter, guys. We're not wearing the box. Here we have it, man. The Jordan 1 Union LAs, bro. This is the black pair that a lot of people like. Me personally, I think I like the blue pair a lot better. To me, it just pops a lot more, and it's just a better overall constructed shoe. But I wanted to talk to y'all about this because, like I said, there was a few things that I didn't think a lot of people felt the same way as me about. So as I was out in SneakerCon Houston, I was out with my boy Unbreakable Kicks, and I was out with my boy Jumpin' Man Chris, and both of those guys were actually looking forward to copping a pair of these. Which ones I don't know for sure, because like I said, it's 2 different pairs, a black pair and a blue pair. What I can say right off the back, man, is looking at the quality and feeling the quality of these Jordan 1s, it is not good. And I'm not just saying that to be a troll. I'm not just saying that to be the guy with the crazy review to get views. Like, this shoe, this Jordan 1, the quality is not worth resale, period. Now I can positively say that because, like I said, I got them right here in hand, Union LA, you know, everything 100. This is a 100% real pair, and when I think about all the Jordan 1s that released this year, it kind of hurts this shoe more than helps. The reason why is because if only 4 or 5 Jordan 1s came out, I mean, it's kind of hard to compare this material to it. Only 4 or 5 shoes, but bro, we had at least 15 pairs, once again, of Jordan 1s that dropped. So you get to compare it to a lot of different shoes, man. And when I start comparing, this material is hard. It's not soft, it's not butter-like material. Even the black part here is not a good material at all. This is not even better material than, I don't know, brother, the damn Shadow 1s. This honestly almost got the same material to me as the Game Royals, and that's on dog. And like I said, man, this pair is 100% real. He actually hit for this at the Foot Action that was in LA. He took the flight to LA to pick up his pair. And like I said, me personally, it isn't worth the resale at all. Speaking of resale right now is going for the high. I'm hearing stories that these will be re-releasing once again. They've already dropped twice. So it was one time on Sneakers app and they did it another time at Foot Action. I'm hearing stories that they're even doing more. So if you're planning on getting these pairs, I would be, I don't know, man, I will be on the edge, bro, just to wait until the prices go down, because I do believe prices will go down. Now, I'm not a resale expert. I don't resell sneakers, but that's just my opinion. Don't hold on to my opinion, because I don't want nobody after the, you know what I'm saying, after the video like, hey, yo, Snipe, you said it was going to be lower, you know what I'm saying? The prices wind up going up. I'm just speaking from my experience and what I think. You know, I still think that y'all should do your own homework, figure out your own answer. But me, your boy Snapper Jones, I can see this price going down, because, I mean, once more prices drop, it's not going to be as limited. And like I said, the quality does not demand that high of a payment for this shoe for me. But that's just a negative though. There is some pluses in this sneaker. Like, believe it or not, it's a lot of pluses. One of the pluses is just like the colorway. It's a lot of different colors in the sneaker, from the black back tab of the shoe. You get like some type of smooth leather, rough, raw leather on a Nike swoosh. You do got like a tumble. It is tumble. Like, the leather is tumbled on a sneaker, but it's just not soft and plush like you would get from a regular Jordan 1. On top of that, like I was saying, the stitching it throughout the upper is dope. Even the laces, this lacing comes like this when it's dead stock. That's dope. Like, spare laces is dope in here. The regular laces is dope in here. Another dope touch is like this seal type, the midsole. The midsole isn't white. The midsole kind of remind me of like the Nigels, cause like it kind of looked like a dirty almost. It don't have like the same effects that they had on the Nigels to make them look dirty, but it still give you that like that golden yellow type look that you would probably get from an aged pair. So it is some positive things about this sneaker, and I'm probably missing some things. Like, oh yeah, for once, like this back tab here, like it's like a soft cotton material. I don't really know how to explain it, but I've never seen it on a Jordan 1 before, and it gives it a dope touch. So yes, it does have an upside. Like that goes without saying, and especially if you just want to buy these to resale, you don't really care what they feel like anyway. I'm just kind of specifically talking to the people who want these to rock them. Yes, you're gonna be having something limited, and you're gonna probably be turning heads just because people know it's not a lot out there, but I don't really feel like you're getting a bang for your buck if you spend retail or resale, I'm sorry, if you spend resale for this shoe, in my opinion. Another dope touch I seen was on the right pair of sneakers. It has a Jordan hang tag. Now, usually we don't see Jordan hang tags unless it's on, what, a Jordan 3, a Jordan 4, maybe a 5. Is hang tags on a 5? Please let me know if hang tags on the 5s. I'm not sure, but they're not usually on a Jordan 1. Like, we all know that for sure. So the fact that this came with a Jordan hang tag is dope. I mean, for people that don't collect, it really don't mean nothing at all. But for the collectors, it's just always good to see something different. I don't know if a hang tag ever came on a Jordan 1. If so, comment the Jordan 1 that the hang tag came on, because I don't know, you kind of be helping me out with that one. I can't really think of one off the top of the head, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot of Jordan 1 heads out there who could probably let me know. I'll be responding to the comments down below in the comment section. But other than that, hey man, it's a regular Jordan 1. The material is decent. It's not really too much. I do like the colorway. They definitely threw a lot of colors in here to make it pop. Once again, me personally, I would have got the blue one, but hey, at the end of the day, man, this is your Jordan 1 black pair of the Unions, man. So please let me know down below in the comments how you feel about this shoe. If you comment Union 1 in the video, I will shout you out in the next video, because I got another banger coming up very, very soon. Once again, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We still grinding, trying to hit 10K, which we're very close on. That will be happening at the end of the year. Subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, your boy Snapper Jones, where I drop the dopest pics, and also do giveaways on the story. And until next time, man, it's your boy Snapper Jones. I got them Unions, and I'm gone. Gang, gang.